This is Kevin Farrell and Sinead, his wife, and we have 5 kids, Micheál, Orla, Sarah, and identical twins Sean and Connor. It's a busy household.
My name is Jamie Farrell. I'm the National Sales Manager with Pinergy. I work with a team of solar PV consultants who are based throughout the country, all the way from Cork up to Cavan and Dublin, and they would be the ones that would be doing your free solar PV site survey in order to get you the best system for your needs. All houses have a roof, and it's the only asset that you'll probably never use in your house. So the benefits of switching to solar is obviously bills can get high. Using the asset on your roof, put solar panels up on it and harness the power of the sun to bring down your electricity bills.
Bills before Christmas would have been $580. You're talking now, the last bill we got there was $145. So big change.